This quick tutorial will teach you how to make a bunny ear scrunchie using leftover remnants of fabric and a bit of elastic. You can download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below, so you can follow along with my step-by-step instructions. To start with, you're going to sew the scrunchie in half with right sides together. Leave a small gap at both ends. Now you're going to fold the scrunchie in half inside of itself and sew it together. You should still have that little gap that you left from the previous step. Now you want to turn the scrunchie to the right side through that little gap. Then press the seam to make it nice and neat. Now get your little piece of elastic, about 7 or 8 inches long, and insert the elastic through the scrunchie and sew it in a loop. Then you want to sew the gap in the scrunchie closed. Now it's time to make our bunny ears. Apply interfacing to the bunny ears pattern piece. Then you want to fold the ears in half with right sides together. Make sure to leave a gap in the center so that you'll be able to turn it. Clip the curves and then turn your bunny ears to the right side and press them flat. You can also top stitch them to give them a neater finish. Now all you have to do is tie the ears around the scrunchie and you've got your bunny ears. And that's it, you've finished. Can wear your bunny ear scrunchie to make it look like you have ears poking out from behind your head when you wear it.